Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Target address on the Target app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your Target address on the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target on the bottom right-hand corner. Then scroll down and where it says My Store, click on Change. So this is where you can enter your zip code or city and state and then select the nearby Target to go ahead and save to be as your local Target. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and save and change your Target address on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.